Hello everyone, myself Sasireka, Academic Coordinator, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Let us discuss about the risk management. Introduction. The risk is a probable problem. It might happen or it might not. There are main two characteristics of the risk. Uncertainty. The risk may or may not happen, which means there are no 100% risk. Loss. If the risk occurs in reality, undesirable result or losses will occur. Types: risk identification, risk analysis, risk planning and risk monitoring. Risk identification: a computer code project may be laid to low with outside chart to risk. To be ready consistently the necessary risks that could affect the computer code projects, it is necessary to group risk into completely different categories. The project manager will examine the risks from the every category square measures relevant to the project. There are three main classes of risk that may affect the computer code of the project. First one is project risk. Project risk concern um, monetary funds, schedules, personal resources, and customer related issues. A vital project risk is schedule slippage. Since computer code is intangible, it is tough to observe and manage the computer code project. It is tough to manage one thing that can not be too seen. For any producing project like producing cars, the project manager will see the merchandise taking form. For example, see that the engine is fitted at the moment of area, the door unit is fitted, the automotive is being painted, etc. So he will simply assess the progress of the work and manage it. Physical property of the merchandise being developed is vital reason why the several computer codes suffer from the danger to schedule slippage. Technical risks. Technical risk concern potential style implementation, interfacing, testing, and maintenance issues. Technical risk uh, conjointly embody ambiguous specifications, incomplete specification, dynamic specification, technical uncertainty, and the technical degeneration. Business risk. This type of risk embodies the risk building a super product that nobody needs, losing monetary funds and personal communities, commitments, etc. Classification of risk of a project. What if the project cost escalates and overshoots what was estimated? Project risk. Business risk is nothing but what if the mobile phones that are developed become too bulky and conveniently carry. Technical risk is what if the hand off between the satellites becomes too difficult to implement. Project risk, risk analysis, technical risk, business risk, types of risks. So the first one is technical risk. Risk arising from the technical challenge or limitations in the software development process. Impact of the technical risk is technical risk can lead to delays, cost overruns, and even software failure if not properly managed. Examples of the technical risk: incomplete or inaccurate requirements for unforeseen technical complexities, integration issues with third-party system, inadequate testing and quality assurance. The next one is security risk. Um, Risk related to vulnerabilities in the software that could allow the unauthorized access of data breaches. Security risk can lead to financial losses, reputational damage, and legal liabilities. Insecure coding practices, lack of proper access control, vulnerabilities in third-party libraries, insufficient data security measures are the example for security risk. The next one is scalability risk. Risk associated with the software ability to handle the increasing workloads or user demands. Scalability risk can lead to performance bottlenecks, outages, and lost revenue. The impact of example for the scalability risks are inadequate infrastructure capacity, inefficient algorithm or data structure, lack of scalability testing, and poorly designed architecture. Third, next one is performance risk. So risk related to the software ability to meet the performance expectations in terms of speed, responsiveness, and resource utilization. Performance risk can lead to user dissatisfaction, lost productivity, etc. In the examples are inefficient algorithms or data structures, excessive memory or CPU usage, poor database performance, network latency. The next one is budgetary risk. Risk associated with exceeding projects budgets or financial constraints. Budgetary risk can lead to financial strain, project delays, and even cancellation. The examples of the budgetary risks are unrealistic cost estimates, scope creep or changes in requirement, unforeseen expenses such as third-party license, hardware upgrades, inefficient resource utilization. The next one is contractual or legal risk. Risk arising from the legal and contractual obligations that not properly understood or managed. Contractual and legal risk can lead to disputes, delays, and even legal actions. The examples are unclear or ambiguous contract terms, failure to comply with intellectual property laws, data privacy violation, lack of proper documentation, and record keeping. Next one is operational risk. Risk associated with ongoing operations and the maintenance of the system. Operation risk can lead to downtime, outages, and data loss. The example of operation risks are inadequate monitoring and alerting system, lack of proper disaster recovery plans. The final one is schedule risk. So in the case of schedule risk related to delays in software development process and missed deadlines, risk lead to increased cost pressure on the resources and missed market opportunities. Examples for the schedule risks are unrealistic timeline or milestone, underestimation of task complexity, resource dependencies or conflicts, unforeseen delays events.